Hello friends, if factorial x is equal to factorial 10 divided by factorial 6, then what is the value of x? Friends, we know that factorial n is equal to, where n is any number, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into dash 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 into 1. So that factorial x is equal to, we can write factorial 10 as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by factorial 6 as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 cancel out 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. So that we can write factorial x is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Now we can write 10 as 1 into 2 into 5 into 9 as 3 into 3 into 8 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 as 7. Now factorial x is equal to 1 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 4 into 5 into 3 into 2 6 into 7. Factorial x is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. It will be equal to factorial 7. Factorial x is equal to factorial 7, so that x is equal to 7. This is our final answer.